For flying drones like the DJI Neo 2, we want to use a strobe when we're flying at night. So I ordered these strobes, and they come in little plastic boxes here. And the reason I like this set, when I was exploring the different options, is they come with some different styles. So they have some hook and loop style connectors here that are adhesive. They've got the USB charger, but they've got these silicone bands, and I think that's going to be one of the ways I choose to go with. Looks like the light itself is tiny. I was concerned because the box is pretty heavy, but it's because you get all these other accessories with it. And then there's the little light itself. Got the USB-C charging port on the back here. There you go. And a little button here. Pretty simple. Looks like it needs to charge. Super bright. Probably have a couple of modes. Looking forward to being able to get this guy out at night with the strobe. That's why I bought it. Hope this helps.